Vanity cover is really easy to remove. There's little gaps here on either side covering these 10mm bolts. So you just can pry up gently with a screwdriver and they'll come up and away. Don't drop them. Like I said, I'm missing one. I'm not sure where it went. I might have dropped it at some point, but I don't remember. I bought the replacement. So when I ordered my plugs, I also ordered one of these covers. So we've got 4 10mm, 2 bolts here, 2 nuts here. Take those off. Your vanity cover will lift off here and here. Now you'll have to undo your oil cap to get that off. Take your oil cap off and then this top vanity cover will come off. Then put your oil cap back on to make sure that you don't drop anything in, which would be a tragedy. So don't do that. So I'm going to pull those. I'll have vanity cover off and we'll keep moving forward on pulling the ignition coils. So the one thing I wanted to share is the vanity covers come off. I just recently cleaned this engine in preparation for this work. And depending on the age of your car, and any car, not just an E46, but depending on the age of your car and where and how you park it, you might be in for a bit of a surprise. So I cleaned the motor, and I thought I saw a little bit of like extra material stuck back in here. So I pulled this vanity cover off, and it's nice and clean now, but I had quite a surprise. Apparently I had a mouse nest in my motor. Jammed in right here was a massive amount of grass and plastic and foam and all kinds of other stuff, and I'd had a mouse nesting in my motor. I don't know how long ago, I don't know when. I think I got pretty lucky that he didn't chew up anything too horrible. I have a little bit of some of the foam coverings of a couple of the pipes right here that are a little bit chewed up, but not too bad. So be prepared for a surprise.